Well, most of us have seen some sunshine and some heat in recent days, but it's all set to change. And the reason for that is the positioning of the jet stream. Last week it was well to the north of the UK. That's allowed high pressure to build across us, and with quite dry air in that, well, there was hardly a cloud in the sky and plenty of sunshine. It's all changed for this week, though. The jet stream sinks south, and as it does so, well, it allows low pressure to form across the United Kingdom, and that low is going to drag in quite a bit of moisture, and with all the heat available, there's a lot of energy there, and there will be some heavy bursts of rain. Indeed, the Met Office is already warning of some heavy bursts of rain. The impacts may well be over quite a large area, and with all that rain falling onto just parched ground, it will run off quite quickly, so localised flooding a real issue. So it's a thundery breakdown over the next few days. Part of the problem is coming in from the west, this weather front, but we're also drawing in some quite hot air and some moisture from further south, and the two will combine to create some pretty nasty weather. A very warm start today on a Tuesday, maybe no lower than 22, 23 degrees in London and 16, 17 degrees for Glasgow and for Belfast. Here comes the rain, though, pushing in across parts of Wales, central southern England through the morning, through the Midlands, and then it moves up into the north of England into the afternoon, and some of that rain really will be quite heavy, and you can see it's pretty extensive as well. Temperatures will be down on recent days, but still quite warm in the southeastern corner in particular, 28 to 29 degrees, and even into the low 20s further north, 21 degrees in Glasgow. Wednesday starts very wet for eastern England, eastern Scotland, thundery rain working its way out to the North Sea. It does clear away, leaves behind sunshine and showers, but the next batch of rain is already working its way into Northern Ireland. So a very unsettled outlook, and it's not just an unsettled outlook, it's a real change in the type of weather and a real change in how it's going to feel and what you might be wearing.